VideoLeadsMachine boosts your authority in any niche with video and convert leads into new clients instantly. It's a powerful step-by-step process combined with automated software AuthorityVids that anyone, in any niche, can follow to start gaining instant authority to drive leads and ultimately boost business. Pros: easy-to-use no-code website and funnel builder. No more difficult setup or hosting process. 100% uptime, 100% security. Boost your authority. Generate new leads. Convert leads into paying customers. Proven instant authority model. A simple take-you-by-the-hand formula to follow. Supercharge your results with video. Automated video creation software included. Attract leads ready to invest in your products and services. Will work for any business, any service, in any niche. Cons: so far, there is none. VideoLeadsMachine review. What are the best features? You'll be getting resources and information from one of the best in the business in authority and brand development. Module 1: Lead Conversion Strategy. 1.1 Ingredients to Getting Leads. Authority Trust Value Formula. 1.2 Video Authority Multiplier. Video Stats Breakdown. Types of videos. Which ones are best for authority? Comparisons. 1.3 TED Talk Conversion Formula. Breakdown TED Talks and Case Study Success in Minutes. 1.4 VideoLeadsMachine Strategy. Module 2 Video Conversion Strategy. 1. The HPITA Formula. 2. The Offer. 3. The Headline. 4. The Problem. 5. The Illustration. 6. The Takeaway. 7. The Action. Module 3 Authority Video Formula. 3.1 Authority Video Framework. Break down how the psychology and framework for a 5-minute interview video. 3.2 Authority Video Creation. How to manually create a video and outsource it on Fiverr. 3.3 Video Lead Capture Strategy. How to build lead capture page and leverage your video. 3.4 Supercharge Lead Generation. How to get reviews that will supercharge your lead gen. 3.5 Instant Authority to Get Leads. Summary of what you have and who you are not as an expert. Leverage it for niches and services. Module 4 Video Lead Marketing. 1. Leads with email marketing. 2. Leads with social media marketing. 3. Leads with SEO. 4. Leads with cold traffic. 5. Leads with retargeting. 6. Leads with networking. Module 5 Video Lead Marketing. Who VideoLeadsMachine is for. It doesn't matter who you are, VideoLeadsMachine seamlessly works for everyone: newbies, experienced marketers, students, website owners, affiliate marketers, entrepreneurs, social media marketers, e-commerce store owners, authors and publishers, list builders, product creators, freelancers, SEO professionals, advertisers, bloggers. Conclusion: it would be one of your best investments this year for sure. Because the price can increase surprisingly, do not hesitate to buy and enjoy this software. I believe that better things are waiting for you ahead. Now is the time my VideoLeadsMachine review comes to an end. Thanks for your time in reading. I hope that my review has given you a hand in looking for a profitable online product. Goodbye, and I will see you very soon.